Hit Bob there just for fun. Alright kids, stay away from the road because it's dangerous. See that? How fast is a Mitsubishi Lancer? Did you see that? We're just gonna continue this in the future kids. Okay, this one is a bus station right here. This one will show you in the future. Now we're gonna hit it. See what's gonna happen. Oh, see, we crush it right there. Not just playing Bob. Let me see. Yay. Bob, well, it's gonna fly. Zoom. It's gonna go on top of the bus station right here. Alright, kids, it's a bus station right here. As you can see right here, you have a transformer right here. It's a whole truck right there. And we need this one right here because it's accident right there. Matthew was eating and we just removed the toy right here. And Matthew wants to see it. Come on, get it, boy. No. Go back there and eat there if you want.
No.
Yay. Oh, it's like real. The policeman is talking. Say, clear out the way. Yay. Right here. Okay. How do you press the button? Okay. Relax. You got toy right here. Then we're gonna rescue this one right here. Okay? And pull it. Okay? Come on. Okay, Matthew's gonna pull it. Yay! Matthew is doing the rescue. You are a rescuer. We're gonna open this up to be continued, kids. Look. Okay, gonna open this up in the future. There's no light in there. Do you know how to do it by sizes, kids? It's like a Domino's. What's this, kids? There you go. There you go. Alright, kids, can you grab by sizes and line them up together? How? Because look at me, the way I grab it, it's already like in order in my hand. And look, it's gonna take me another 1 minute. Look. What if you just close it, then spin it? Ta-da! Ta-da! See that, kids? What's this one's kids? There you go. They'll get squeezed together. There you go. I was expecting to be like that. There you go. She's gonna push it, daddy. It's gonna crumple. Let's camera action. You're gonna hit this for the speed racers. The Domino's. See that? Domino's. Let's camera action. There you go. There you go. I was expecting very simple like that. The Domino's. Not just playing Bob. Let me see. Yay. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's only up to 7, boy. Look. Well, okay, this one is a USB right here. No need a battery. Opera. See that? That's the one I'm talking about. What's the call of your eggs, boy? I speak louder because